Hey everyone, it's the Eclectic Candyman here today with the top of the line commercial leaf blower, the Husqvarna 580BFS. This thing is a beast, ready to get it out of the box and try it out. Let's get into it. All right, so the reason for the need for this super powerful leaf blower is that here in Western North Carolina in the mountains, while we get a little bit of snow, the reality is what you really need is leaf cleanup. Now, we've just started the season right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. We usually end up getting literally like 6 inches just covered in the yard and driveway, so I need something very powerful. I'm replacing this older, I've had it for a decade, tried and true Craftsman Professional leaf blower. It's got some decent specs on it, but this thing beats it all around. So the new blower has 1200 CFM inside, 1000 at the pipe where it blows out. It has a wind speed of up to 220 miles an hour and it weighs about 27 pounds. So the nice thing is it goes on my back. It's going to be a lot nicer to use, I think, than this one, but this has served its purpose for 10 years. All right. Opening this up and getting into it. All right, setup only took about 10 minutes. The only one little snag I ran into were these last two pieces to screw together were quite a bit stubborn. I mean, these interlocking types are usually no big deal, and that one was okay right there, but for some reason that one was not easy. Other than that, piece of cake. Got it together. This is the Mark II version. I know there's a Mark III as well, but I did get it brand new. This retails around $630. I did get this one for $580, shipping included. It does have a lot of the features that are on the high-end blowers, like I believe they say it's like a 2-stage filter that's accessible in there. It's got the easy start here, just like any other. It's a 2-stroke engine, so 50-to-1 ratio, and has the choke on it. Start it up, piece of cake. Husqvarna is a company out of Sweden, and the box did say, though, however, this was assembled in the USA. So looking at it overall, heavy duty straps here with the padding. It says 77 decibels right there. From what I can tell, fantastic construction. I don't mind the weight. Again, the leaf situation here has just started, but this will be a blanket soon because eventually all of that will turn colors and be down here on the driveway, so I'll have to take care of it. All right, first test is going to be super simple. Even my old blower will take care of it. I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to go down in the yard and try something where there is a layer of leaves that I want to try to knock out. Actually, maybe put some different kind of mulch there or something like that. All right, let's start up. Okay. All right, so we got the throttle level here, so we can adjust the throttle. And then we've got the control right here. Let's go ahead and turn it on this way. so my initial impression is really, this thing has a ton of power. I know why it's a commercial blower. It is absolutely super strong. Compared to my old leaf blower, no joke, it's like 10 times better. What I just did in like 30 seconds was probably 10 minutes worth of work, so that's 20 times better. Now we're gonna go down in the yard to a layer of leaves. I wanna test it out in this platform to move all the leaves off. I think this is gonna handle well and emulate in the thick of fall what this thing can really do. Let's go down and check it out. All right, so this was way beyond my expectations. I guess for being commercial, I would assume it would be very good. What I just did down there in the yard with that layer of old leaves that have been collecting for 2 or 3 years, I had tried that with my old hand blower. That it didn't even make a dent in it. It would make like a little dimple. This thing did complete work of it in just a matter of minutes. So if you have a big yard as a homeowner, you're moving a lot of debris, this is worth the investment. And I knew it was worth the investment because I do have a lot of leaf coverage, and I'll spend hours and hours in the fall, multiple times a week, blowing leaves out of the yard and the driveway and other places. It's overkill if you have a small yard or if you just have a little bit of leaf coverage or not as many trees. So this is more for somebody who's got, again, a large amount of debris to move. One of the things I forgot to mention is I did get the 580BFS versus probably the more common BTS. The BTS has the throttle and controls here on the tube. So as you're moving, you can use your thumb. But some say that's a little bit awkward, you know, as you're moving, that the throttle's right there. I prefer to manage it with my left hand, and then you can toss that up and put it out of the way. If needed, it has the kill switch on it, and this just becomes the handle for moving it around. I'm really impressed on the back. It feels nice. I've not got any fatigue on it. Definitely worth the investment. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, this is the Eclectic Handyman. We'll see you later.